But I would that look like Mass George daughter Keshia so. I could have never Keshia that pregnant again. Eh? God Almighty. I know late down in the last year Keshia have a baby no. I can't believe Keshia pregnant again. God Almighty. Hmm? The picnic where Keshia have in her hand no more about 9 months old and Keshia pregnant again. God Almighty, them are young people here. Eh? No man. So I must have wrong. But through me whole me not even I go try fast in a young people business, you know. Because no one nobody hold me up. So let me leave our business. Sister Mac, you think me not hear you, no? Sister Mac, you think me not hear you? Hmm? Listen to me now, lady. Come out of my business, you hear? And take your big old self and come go on a church and leave young people business alone. Because in a phone no time, you know old people, I every hero no breed. So I don't know how you come for your fast in my business. Oh. I know you are my picnic. Eh? Anybody drink their rum, stand and junk. Eh? Me I ask you for anything. Come out of my business. Come out of my business. Eh? You see me I walk and beg? Me not walk and beg collection. Me I beg anything for look after me picnic them. Eh? Me picnic have a father. Come out of my business. Eh? When all people love fasting our people business too much. Come out. Come out of my business. Oh. After me not stretch no salsa to you, he may be a problem to you, lady. He when I go on to your church and leave young people business already. Eh? Food days done out. The days done out. Eh? How much picnic you have? 9, what a 9 picnic you have? Eh? For 9 different man and you come a fast in my business. You know old people, you know not try if you know food business before you know come take up other people, young people business. Eh? Eh? Oh, hey, listen to me now, lady. I want you left my business alone, you know. Eh? Suppose me even want pregnant. Eh? You know, here the government say we need to get pregnant because picnic short. Eh? The population are good up. You know, see every day murder, and all sort of things. Eh? How much man they are prison? Eh? How much I get good on in a dirty? Eh? So we need to populate the place. Eh? Yes, we need to be pregnant. After nobody now beg you nothing. You think a part money me take a look after me picnic them no? And a part money me take a look after my picnic. Me picnic have father. Eh? Father will stand up. Oh. Me picnic have father will stand up. Eh? You think he's an old idiot man me pregnant for? Eh? A good baby father me picnic they have. Oh, so you know business when me want pregnant from when me no want pregnant. Bright and fiercey. Oh. Come out of we business. Oh. Because first thing to comment, me can't take family planning. Because every time me take it, me feel sick and drop down. Oh. So, as so it go. God want me to multiply. Me have to multiply. Oh. So come out of my business. No fast na people business too much. Go fast na your picnic them business. Sister Mac go fast na your picnic them business. Eh? You know about your old big back, broad back picnic them down there. Eh? When I even not do nothing for help themselves. Want sit down every day a beg on roadside. Who not get up a drink special a morning time, sit down a beg. You see me a beg anything? Me a hustler. Me a hustler. Sister Mac, me a hustler. Oh. Keshia, I wasn't even talking to you, Keshia. I wasn't talking to you. You don't know what you're speaking it. No have no manners at all. No manners you don't have. To me no say you know no ma. And I only your papa alone. I hit me there. I grumble. Me not even did know say you hear me. Because me no fast in a people business. But Keshia, hear the word them where you tell me whole sister Mac. Hear the word them where you tell me. Me where you used to put a nappy pan your sis Keshia, me where you used to put a nappy pan you. And when you piss up yourself, Keshia, me where you used to help look after you when you piss up yourself. And now me come and talk to you, Keshia, and hear how you are going. I tell me all about me picnic them, and I tell me how much picnic me have and all these things. Keshia, yeah. The Bible telling about generation of vipers, The Bible talk about because Keshia look on the word them where you tell me whole man. Look on them the word there. Alright. You not go hear me say nothing and fasten at your business. No matter where I reach you. I hope you have somebody feel left picking them, feel look after them when you go on the road, go hustle. I hope so. Because I when you left the baby in the house, I cried on the place and go about your business. I must see nice same period that time you go catch nether belly. Because you's like a wandering wolf. And see there, you come back with belly. Because you don't know how to stand today. All and all you do is have your legs spread out like card pack. If me I never smaddy a go me church, and I back in idea when me not go on church, Keshia, me would you up back to Keshia. Keshia, me would you. But through me mouth, through me mouth, I keep up here now. Because Keshia, me would you, You should have thank God say, He might hold up me mouth. I would have give you a piece of me mouth and I would have take a piece of tikia when me a crumble with and give you some lick this evening. And show you say, you feel your manners, you hear young girl, you feel your manners. Oh, it's too out of order. Bright and feisty.